You're trying your best to create the most engaging long-form video, and after publishing it on YouTube, it feels like nobody's watching. It's like talking to a brick wall, right? Today I want to share a secret with you. Yes, my friend, with you. Stick with me until the end of this video and you will be surprised how easily you can blow up on YouTube and for a relatively cheap price. If you want to blow up on YouTube, you can start creating rapid-fire short clips to grab people's attention. But let's be real, who has the time to cut and edit all those clips? It can take hours if not days of editing. But wait, what if I told you there's a tool that can do all the heavy lifting for you? Probably you heard of Opus Clip, an AI tool that can chop your long-form video into short-form clips. But today I won't talk about this tool. I will show you an even better one. It is called Minvo, the AI-powered sidekick that's about to become your new best friend. With Minvo, you can extract the juiciest parts of your long-form videos and turn them into reels, shorts, and even written content in just a matter of minutes, as I will show you later in this video. Minvo's AI is so smart, it identifies the key moments in your video and creates clips that are perfect for social media. It can add subtitles, b-roll, emojis. It has an auto-framing system. It offers you all you need, and with precise time-based editing and auto-generated captions, you'll never have to stress about cutting the perfect clip again. But here's the real kicker. With Minvo, you can generate over 10 videos in just 3 clicks. 3 clicks, my friend. And the best part? You can post them directly to your social media accounts without breaking a sweat. It may be possible that you have multiple social media channels, or you're an agency owner and working with multiple brands. You can create unique brand profiles and organize different styles for each client. And there's more. Minvo AI can even transform your long-form videos into written content. We're talking articles, LinkedIn posts, and SEO-friendly blogs. Whether your followers are watching or reading, Minvo's got you covered. You'll be pumping out all the content they want in record time, and your YouTube channel will grow 10 times faster. So, let me show you how it works, and later I will show you the pricing. As you can see, this is the website. It shows you a couple of features of the tool. And if you have an account, you just go to login, and we are inside the tool. This is how it looks from the inside. If you want to add your video, you just select add video, and you have 2 choices. The first one is for transforming long-form videos into short clips. And the second one, if you have short clips but doesn't have caption or any other b-roll or something else added, then you can choose the second one. It will automatically add captions, b-roll, or what you select. But now we are going to go with the first one. You select the first one, and here you can drag your file, your long-form video, or you can import directly from YouTube. If you enter your video's URL and press import, automatically it will upload to the tool, and from there the tool will take over all your work. To save some time, I already uploaded a video of mine, and when your video is uploaded, it will show up exactly like this video. And then you select view moments, and here you got your clips. As you scroll down, from a 5-minute video, it generated 5 short clips. But in case you want to create more shorts from your clip, you can go to Transcript and you can select from the text. If you select, let's say, this part, you select this part and you can press create short, and according to this text it will cut out just this part of your long form video, and of course automatically it will add captions and everything else. But now I won't create this short. I will go back to show you what kind of shorts it created. Let's see, if you play it, you can view the first one, for example. As you keep creating and learning, you literally get better and better. And as your channel grows, you can start investing in better equipment if you feel like it's necessary. But only if it's necessary. And always remember, it's your unique voice and perspective that... And let's see, if I don't like something about the clip, you can go to edit, and in this window you have the transcript, and for example, let's say I want to cut out one part of the video. You just simply select, and another menu shows up, and you can press cut. If you press cut, you see it's cut from the middle, and if I will play it, it will skip that part. This is available on YouTube itself. The more you learn, the better your content will become. If you have something misspelled, for example, if the transcript is not 100% perfect, you can correct it. You go to edit, and here you have the whole transcript. For example, YouTube, you want to be written differently. For example, YouTube itself. And as you go back, you will see the YouTube part, it's already corrected, and if we play the video, you take the advantage of wealth of resources available on YouTube itself. The more you learn, the better you... Did you see it already corrected? And if you press this magic edit, if you choose magic frame, it will automatically center your face, for example. Or magic cut, it will automatically cut filler words, silences. Magic emojis, it will automatically add emojis onto your clip. Magic media, it can automatically add B-rolls to your media. Or magic emphasis, automatically will highlight keywords. And if you want to edit for yourself, you can press shift, and as you scroll, your timeline will move. And for example, you can also adjust here. As you see, if you want to make the clip shorter, as you see, this part is an emoji. As you can see, this one. And if you want, you can simply drag it to show up for a longer time. The more you learn, the better your content will become. Let's see the second clip. As you can see, it's the same stuff. Here we got the transcript. You can select thinking, yes, and to this word you can attach an emoji, for example. You see, automatically it appeared, and if we play it, I know what you might be thinking, but Chaba, don't you need... And if you like the clip, you can simply export it by pressing export, and you can download it and later upload to your social media account, or you can post to a social directly. In case you like the clip from the good beginning and you don't want to do anything with what Minvo created, you can simply press download and it will download the clip and you can use it right away. I know what you might be thinking, but Chaba, don't you need some fancy cameras and expensive lighting to make it big on YouTube? Well, my dear friend, let me tell you a secret. While having... Let's say I like this clip as it is, I just simply press download and the video will start rendering, and when the rendering will be finished, you will get an email from Minvo from where you can download your file, or it will show up directly in the window and you can download it directly to your computer. So as you can see, you just simply upload your long form video and Minvo will take care of everything in just a couple of clicks. You have a lot of shorts. As you can see, this is a 5-minute video, 5 minutes and 14 seconds, and from a 5-minute video it created a lot of shorts. If you are uploading, for example, a podcast, you can create 20-30 shorts, and by uploading all these shorts and linking to your original video, the original video's views will increase drastically. Now, let me show you the pricing of this amazing tool. We are on the pricing page now. You can either pay monthly or annually. If you want to pay annually, you will get a 40% discount. As you can see, the creator package, it's $7.99 a month. In this package, you can upload up to 120 minutes per month. It includes find and edit moments with AI. Videos are stored for 30 days. Upload files up to 2 gigabytes. And the tool can be used by one user. This package doesn't include the AI writing for posts, articles, etc. and the live chat support. If you want to go with the Pro package, it will cost you $11.99 a month. You can upload up to 120 minutes per month and includes everything. You can upload files up to 5 gigabytes and it includes also the AI writing for posts, articles, etc. and the live chat support. If you want to go with the Pro package, it costs you $19.99 a month. You can upload up to 120 minutes per month and includes everything. You can upload files up to 10 gigabytes and the tool can be used by 3 users. The 120 monthly minutes is the smallest package, but if you need more minutes, you can choose another package up to 780 minutes. The highest possible package with 780 monthly minutes and with annual payment, the Pro package will be $85 and the highest package will be $97 a month. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, try Minvo and hit that subscribe button. See you on the next video. Peace!